Good day, everyone. My name is Levi, and today we are going to talk about this one exogenic process called weathering. However, only one type is our focus today. Before we start, let us have a short recall first. Exogenic processes are natural phenomena or occurrences happen on Earth's surface. It has four major types, namely weathering, erosion, mass wasting, and lastly, deposition. Now that we have recalled the definition of exogenic processes, let us proceed to discuss about chemical weathering. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Chemical weathering refers about the chemical alteration of a rock or a rock formation. There are three major types of chemical weathering. First is dissolution, second is hydrolysis, and third, oxidation. This process occurs when water comes into contact with rocks and dissolves the minerals that make up that rock into individual elements. The dissolution of calcite is a good example of this process. When water comes into contact with rocks that have abundant amounts of calcite, such as limestone, the calcite dissolves into the solution. Hydrolysis takes place when rock-forming minerals react with water, such as feldspar, to produce clay and salts that are removed in solution. The only common rock-forming mineral that is not affected is quartz, which is a chemically resistant mineral. Oxidation occurs when oxygen reacts with other elements and electrons are transferred between the two elements. An example of oxidation is when oxygen reacts with iron to form iron oxide. Iron oxide formation is a process that is similar to alteration and forms what we know in everyday life as rust. This iron oxide is much weaker than the original iron in the rock and therefore makes the rock more likely to deform brittly. Chemical weathering controls the formation and evolution of soil, particularly the concentration and distribution of chemical elements in the soil, including the elements that control soil fertility and the physical properties of the soil. I hope that you appreciate our lesson for today, and I also hope that the knowledge you have earned could help you in a certain circumstances. Thank you for listening, have a blessed day, and goodbye.